All parameters are well within the premium threshold. Excellent. The AI analysis confirms it. Ready for assembly. We're seeing consistent passes on the memory modules now. Good, but the voltage regulator still shows minor fluctuations.
Look here, the red screen indicates a software issue. Yes, I'm isolating the unit now. The others are clear. Each television enters an advanced calibration chamber, where robotic cameras measure brightness, contrast, color. This is a stereo frequency sweep, testing vocal clarity and bass response across all channels.
Open Netflix and check the wireless connection speed.
The temperature on panel 7B is slightly elevated under high brightness.
I see it. The thermal imaging confirms the hotspot. We should flag this one. Each export pallet receipt receives a unique QR code, RFID tracking chip, and digital shipping identification number.
Seal engaged and locked. Status update confirmed on the manifest. Customs verified. We are clear for export.